Hi everyone, it's me, Tom, and today I am in New York City. I'm on 33rd Street and 7th Avenue, which is the location of both Madison Square Gardens and Penn Station. I've never actually been to Penn Station, but this time I had to come because last year in October, the brand new Moynihan train hall opened. This used to be the New York Post Office. It closed as a post office, and now it's this brand new arrivals hall for Amtrak trains. I can't wait to see it. Okay, I'd heard a lot of good things about this place, but I wasn't quite ready for this. This place is beautiful.
Train 95 on route to Norfolk and stops. Passengers should proceed to track 13.
Moynihan Train Hall was named after Patrick Moynihan, a politician from New York. It opened in October 2020 as part of the old New York Post Office building, which has been repurposed to a train hall. Access is available to MTA's Long Island Railroad as well as Amtrak trains. And of course, New York Penn Station is one of the most important and busiest stations on the entire Amtrak network, with the Acela Express leaving for Boston and Washington, D.C., as well as Northeast Regionals and many long-distance trains. The concourse offers a variety of shops, an Amtrak lounge, and is overall a very pleasant place to be, as well as a convenient meeting spot. Let's go to the Amtrak platforms to see if we can see any train action.
Platform? Yeah. Oh. This is where
Look at this weird little bend in the tracks in the middle of the platform. Now there is a way to get from platform to platform without going through the Moynihan train hall, although I don't know why you would do that. It's through this mezzanine level, which connects all the underground tracks, as well as the train hall.
Moynihan Train Hall only serves the Long Island Railroad and Amtrak, but I mean, this is a New Jersey Transit train. There's just no ticket office. You have to go to the original Penn Station for New Jersey Transit. Thank you for watching that video about the Moynihan Train Hall. Make sure to subscribe to Trains Are Awesome for more cool train and travel related content. We'll see you next time.